So guys, I made Joe the Girl Gamer. Welcome for another video. So you guys wanted a video because I got 10 subscribers and I didn't really ask for that, but thank you anyways.
I have a question.
So leave a comment and subscribe. Leave a good comment and don't subscribe to us channel. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, okay? What's your face? Okay, so anyway,
which way is the camera?
See, the bird's biting my finger. Ouch.
Which way is the camera?
It's facing here. It's facing it.
Is it using that camera right there?
No, it's facing you. Here's our bird. Oh, bird! Shh.
Can we feed him Jiminy Cricket?
I don't have a cricket.
Jiminy Cricket?
Austin, did you just hear what I said before we begin this video?
No.
What?
There's some more bugs outside.
Oh no! Okay, guys, we're back. Here's Jimmy the Cricket. Basically, Jimmy Icon. He's basically a vlogger who had a vlog for like a long time.
I'm posting a video today. Really?
Okay, hi, Axtina. Okay, Jimmy, face me and do what pirates do. Here I'm recording. No, you need those. The bird's gonna murder you without those. He's a real killer.
You killed Sparky, you monster.
But you don't say to the bird, or the bird will lose your chance to fly back to his cage. Like he did like 30,000 times. Look at that thing. It's a monster.
Go to your fake habitat. Go to your
Okay, closer here. Come on. I got the.
Go to your fake habitat.
Come on. Duh, he's still on your shoulder.
Run away, bird. Run away, bird. Run away, bird.
I'll take it back.
Run away, bird. Fly away, bird!
Okay, so guys, this is the same.
You up?
Jimmy, shut up. Okay, guys, so this is the same room. We did a playing maintenance video. We done it.
Question.
What is your question?
I'm actually recording too.
No,
How are you recording?
No, you're not. You have no camera. What's your camera?
Can't afford a phone.
Or a camera.
Or a bird. Oh. And you're scared of it.
Yeah. So how are you recording? Guys, right. This is the spot where we play maintenance. Right here, where we play with it. Right here, so I sit out right there, so Eddie hold the pillow.
The praying mantis died.
Here is where Jimmy was sitting.
I own the praying mantis and he died. I don't know how he died.
You're can't.
Oh yeah, I let him go in the wild.
No, he died from cancer.
Really?
He
I let him go in the bushes over there, and the next morning,
was dead.
yeah, he was dead. So I should have kept him. He would survive longer. He survived about 5 days.
Yeah, he survived 5
And
days.
I made a video and I took it down.
I have a video on YouTube, like one video of the playing maintenance. A lot of kids at school seen it,
Memories.
and I never watched the
Never
video.
seen it again.
I don't want to watch the video on my own because it scares me
Okay,
so
I'm not
much.
that scared of it. Happy holidays.
Okay, guys, so please leave a Austin, shut up.
Please look alive and subscribe and go to Jimmy Larson Icon and survive, and I will try to change my name.
Okay, guys, so please leave a Jimmy. I'm saying it, not you. Okay, guys, leave a like, please subscribe, and leave a comment. Because usually people watch my videos and don't leave a comment. So if you subscribe, please subscribe for more videos.
Oh my god.
And do it for the bird.
My hair.
And if you don't subscribe to the bird, this bird will come and attack you in your sleep. Bye bye, birdie. Bye bye, birdie. You must fly to Neverland. Jimmy, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You're gonna.
That wasn't me.
Oh.
That was Jiminy Cricket who did that.
Oh, birdie, you're such a poor birdie. Such a poor,
He's a poor boy.
such a soft bird, juicy,
Old Billy Bear.
feathery, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna eat this bird so much.
Okay, time to post a video.
Hey,
There
Jimmy,
will not be internet in a while.
Jimmy. You remember our rabbit? Does NJ freak out on the rabbit? Who's scared of the rabbit?
Me.
No, you're not. Austin, you're not scared of a rabbit.
Okay, I'm gonna edit my video now.
Duh, we're both recording at the same time, and I'm using a camera, using a phone.
I'm wearing this for Jimmy. I'm not gonna edit this. Jimmy, look.
You must fly back to Neverland before the wicked witch comes to eat you.
Make it fly. Wiggle your hand.
Bye, birdie. So please leave a like,
Go to
please
TV Land.
subscribe. Bye, guys. Dun dun dun.